Introducing the Langdock library. A few weeks ago, we launched Skills, which fundamentally improve the way you work with files in Langdock. You can create polished slides and professional documents in natural language right from the chat. The library is the next step. Now those files actually have a home. Files that were previously scattered across chats and folders can now be accessed from one place, which makes working with them much faster and easier. The library also includes file templates. You can now upload frequently used slides and documents, making it effortless to create new ones in the same style and format across your team. Let's say your company has a template for creating offers for new customers. This template can now be uploaded in Langdock and shared across your team, so everybody can easily create new ones with a single prompt, matching your preferred format and style. Or perhaps you have an existing slide deck for internal team presentations, and now you want to use it to showcase your team's progress. Langdock pulls information from internal team meetings or your project management tools and uses Skills and your new template to get the style and format just right. The library helps you to find files faster, create better results with templates, and make working with files AI ready. To get started, head to the library in the sidebar to upload a template or check out your files and folders. We can't wait for you to try it out.